Good morning. This is Eric LaFountain here with ABC Companies. I am the SVT Fleet Support Manager. Today we're going to go through some of the options and procedures on the Florida DOT Terra Transit. And as always, best practice before you start your day, you're going to want to make sure you open the hood up and check all your fluid levels. Coolant, oil, transmission fluid, to start there. And as we make our way around the vehicle, you'll do a quick look over of your tires, make sure they're good. We'll go through the entrance door operation. One of the things I want to point out while we're outside, you open up the battery door, put a latch, and here is your batteries for the vehicle. There's also a master switch right here to turn off the batteries in emergency cases. Always make sure this is latched down before operation and your locks are secured. As we move around the vehicle, we'll demonstrate this here in a minute, but this is going to be your wheelchair lift door. As we keep going around the vehicle, this will be the rear entrance door. If anything is needed to be loaded or unloaded, and also emergency use to get out of the vehicle. Fuel fill, so that is on the left-hand side. Now we're going to get inside and go through the options of the interior. Once the vehicle is started, you will want to apply the emergency brake. Once the emergency brake is applied, you'll notice that the fast idle has turned on. You will also notice that you can see that the vehicle is in park, parking breakers have been applied, and the wheelchair lift operation switch is on. All three of these lights must be achieved in order for that light to work. You'll notice if I release the parking brake or emergency brake, you'll notice I lose all the lights. But again, this must be applied in order to have fast idle and for that lift to operate. There are two items that won't let the vehicle go into gear. As you can see, it won't go into gear because I have my parking brake applied. Parking brake must be released in order for it to go into gear. Also, if the entrance door is open, not allow the vehicle to go into gear. If you're having a problem with your vehicle going into gear, make sure your parking brake is released and your entrance door is closed. Your AC controls, you will have 3 red lights with an alarm. These alarms for the wheelchair lift door ajar, rear door ajar, and rear door unlocked. Temperature controls are located to the right of the steering wheel. You'll see you have floor, mix, defroster, normal AC and max AC, your temperature control, and your fan speed for the front. The rear fan speed is not used in this application. Working our way to the right, you will find your hazard switch, a USB charging port, your traction control switch, your fog maker display. To the right below of the driver, you will find the fog maker charge tank. Before going in service, you will always want to make sure the tank is at charge, which you can see on the display. The vehicle is also equipped with Friedman seating. In order to fold up the seats, you will push the lever in the back, fold the back down, grab underneath to flip the seat up. You will want to put the seat in the locked position so it cannot fold down. Once you're folded back down, pull the lock over, push the lever to let the seat down, make sure it latches into place, push the lever in the back, flip the back up, wait for the click, check and make sure it's locked down. Fold it up, this will allow you to have access to secure the wheelchair lift passenger down. Your Q-strength ratcheting straps are here that mount to the floor, along with your 3-point safety belt on the wall. To demonstrate the lift, open your doors all the way. Make sure your parking brake is applied and your power switch on the dash is on. You'll also want to turn on the power switch on the lift itself. Once you have that, you go to your remote. You're going to want to unfold the lift. Once the lift is unfolded, then you're going to want to go down. Once your passengers are off the lift, you can then go ahead and fold it back up. So you're gonna hit the up button. This will bring the lift all the way to the up position. Once it's at the up position, then you're gonna wanna fold it up.